Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine error code E18 or F18. What does it mean and how to fix it? The Bosch washing machine error code E18 or F18 indicates a draining issue where the washing machine is unable to empty the water quickly enough. This error can be caused by a blockage in filter, a blockage or kink in the cold water inlet hose, or a faulty drain pump, or a blocked drain hose. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. 1. Turn off the machine and unplug the main switch. 2. Open and remove the service flap carefully. Drain off all the water using a drainage hose or by removing the pump cover slowly. 4. Clean the interior, the thread and the housing of the pump so that the impeller is able to rotate. 5. Refit the pump cover and screw back firmly. 6. Pour the 1 liter of water into the detergent drawer and check for any leakage. If the pump is seen watertight, start the pumping program. If the issue persists, check the drain hose for kinks or blockages. 9. Clean the drainage hose and connecting piece of the siphon. 10. Connect the drainage hose to the siphon and check whether the drainage hose is watertight. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider booking a Bosch customer service executive.